Welcome back guys to another video, and in this video I'm going to clear you a major difference between IELTS and PTE. As you guys see that nowadays the PTE is in trend, so that why people are preferring to go with PTE and why with the IELTS. So the major difference I have highlighted over here, the first thing is the modules. So in IELTS there are basically 4 modules. Similarly in PTE also you have all the 4 modules: listening, reading, writing and speaking. If I talk about the time interval of the exam, so your exam is going to be completed under 2 hours and 50 minutes. But here one thing is that speaking will be a day prior or a day next. But if I talk about PTE, so PTE is only for 2 hours and 15 minutes. Next is about the level. If I talk about the level of IELTS, so IELTS always come under a tough to moderate level. I would not say that IELTS is our easiest one, but if I talk about PT, so PT comes with the moderate level and easy level, because there are few students who even scored 80 and 85 under 1 month. And in exam, if I talk about the exam, so exam is in a week 2 times. Like the major day for IELTS exam is the Saturday and another one is the Friday, otherwise Thursday, which depends to center. But if I talk about PTE exam schedule, so it is except Sunday, every day your exam is going to be conducted near about to 8:45 until 5:45. So this is a like time which depends center to center. And next is about medium. If I talk about medium, so here IELTS comes with the 2 medium, that is pen and paper. Another one is the computer deliver. But if I talk about PTE, so PTE has only one, that is computer deliver. It's only a computer based test. It's never be a pen and paper. If I talk about the full form, so IELTS is an international English language testing system, but Pearson is Pearson Test of English, PTE. One more thing I would like to tell you is that in PTE there is negative marking. With the few questions there is a negative marking. I would say that especially in MCQs and in reorder the paragraph. There are few paragraphs in which you have to reorder, and this is a part of reading. So here in reading there is negative marking, but in IELTS nothing is about negative marking. So that's about the major difference. And one more difference I would like to tell you is that PTE come with SDS when you have 60 each for Canada. IELTS is always SDS when you have 6 each, but now because of the new rule, if you have 5.5 in any one module, then also you are eligible for the SDS category. But in PTE you must be having 60 each for being the eligibility criteria of SDS category for Canada. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you like this video. If there is any doubt, so do comment in the comment section and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.